So continuing on with my Facebook groups for 2020 series, today we're going to be looking at how you can create your own Facebook group header image using the app Canva. My name is Anita Wong and I'm a digital marketing strategist and tech coach. I'm here to empower you with the skill set that will enable you to accelerate your tasks that you need to do for your social media and your WordPress web design. So in this video, we're going to be looking at how you can create a Facebook group header that will be optimized perfectly for both desktop and mobile. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And if you would like to see my videos in the future, ring the bell for instant notification when my next video is uploaded. So in this video, we're going to look at how you can create a header image that fits perfectly into your desktop group header and also into your mobile phone header as well. So we're going to jump over into Canva for this, and the dimensions that you need for your Facebook group page aren't preset inside Canva. So to create a customized size, you need to click on the Create a Design, and here it says custom dimensions. So you go ahead and add your custom dimensions. So you put 820 and make sure this is set at pixels by 462. Then you go ahead and press Create Design. So this is the size that we are working on. So our actual size is 820 pixels width by 428 pixels depth. Now, if we go back to this group picture, what you'll notice is that if we go to here and we go right down the bottom, you see the gap between the top of the join the and the very top of the image is quite wide. There's probably about an inch. But when you go to the actual Facebook header in the desktop, the gap is smaller. And this is because the strip along the Facebook account takes up a bit of that. And also this strip along here takes out a bit of the space at the bottom. Okay, so we're inside Canva and we've got our template, which is 820 pixels by 428 pixels. If you would like this template so that you can create your own Facebook group header, exactly how I've done it, then please go to the description of this video and I will have a link in there where you can go ahead and download this template for you to use inside of your own Canva account. If, however, you want to have a go at creating it yourself, then this is how you do it. So first of all, you want to create this rectangle so you know where to keep your main components. To do that, you need to come to the Elements section and go to Shapes. Click See All, choose the square without anything in the inside, and this will be placed on your page. Now you want to resize it so that it is 711 pixels wide. So as you see, when you're resizing it, it says there. We're going to scroll down to the next area. So now what we've done is we've kept an area that we want to keep the main focus of our image and our work inside, so that on the Facebook group header, when we publish it, all the information is still visible, both on the desktop and on the mobile. So the next part is to put your image into your template. Now, the easiest way to make sure that your image fits is to add a grid. So simply click on the grid button and it will add a grid that fits into your area. Now, that grid, you need to make sure is set at the back. So the position has to be set at the back. What that does is it enables your photograph to be slid into that grid really easily. So what we do here, so if I take this picture out, as you can see, I have the same grid. What I do is I go to my uploads file or photographs that you may have already uploaded, and you click on it and you drag it across until the actual grid captures it. You see how it caught it? I didn't click on it and let go. I kept my mouse down. And what that does is it helps you drag your photos and it places them inside the grid perfectly for you. Now I want to put her main head, remember, inside this focal area. So to do that, you need to double click on the image that you've just added, and then you can drag it down. And then for this one, because she's quite tall, I have to pull this to the left a little bit. And then I need to just drag it down a bit more. And this sometimes a bit of guesswork. So you just have to keep looking at whether she's inside or not. And as you can see, the main focal point of her image is inside that grid that I've added in. So the next part of the process is to add your text. So to add your text, you go over to the text element. And I chose one of the pre-made font combinations, but you could choose one that matches your brand or your messaging, or you can create one yourself using the header, the subheader, and then you can choose a font that suits you. But I went ahead and clicked this, and when I click it, it comes into the area. And then what you need to do then is you need to just resize it to fit in with you. Double click the words that you want to change so that you can change that to your own word. So once you've resized your font area and you've changed the text to the one that you want and you're happy with its position, then you go ahead and you remove this test area here. So this grid that we had here, we want to just press delete. That then gets rid of the area and you're left with your perfectly shaped Facebook group header ready for you to download into your computer and upload onto your Facebook group. Now, if you have several sections like I have here, and you want to download just the last section, all you have to do is come up to the download button and you select the page that you want to download. So obviously you'll probably just have one page where it's all on the same thing. So just make sure that you're downloading the final image that you want. Once you're happy, you click done and make sure it's a PNG because that's the best optimized image that you can use. And you go ahead and you click download. This will download straight to your computer and then you'll be able to upload it directly into your Facebook group. So to do that, you go to your Facebook group, you hover over the Facebook group header area and it will say change group cover. Here you can upload your new photograph by going to your file, open. This will be uploaded. It will give you the option to move it if need be, but you don't need to do that because you've optimized it perfectly. Go ahead and click save. And now your Facebook group header image is all set for you to use in your group. Another pro tip is to actually click on that actual image. And as you can see, when you click on the image, you can add a description. This is really good if you want people to see the description of the header image outside of the group. So when somebody's coming to your group and they're wondering what's going on, you can add a description. And this is where you could perhaps add a little bit of information about what the group represents. So you could go ahead and pop in a few bits of information about what the group represents. So this group is for, and then you can finish it off. Once you've finished, you click finish editing. And that information will be visible more on the mobile phone than it would be on the desktop. But it's a really good way also of helping your Facebook group be found in search as well. I hope you found this video really useful and that you've gone ahead and created your Facebook group header. If you have any problems, please don't hesitate to pop them in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already done so. Ring the bell if you want notification of any new videos that I pop up. And if you want the template for this Facebook header image, then please click the description below and you'll be able to download it from there. Thanks for watching and I'll see you soon.